In this part of video, we will learn how to work with HTTP post requests and response. We will learn it in examples of working with other integration services. The first example is Zapier. Let's create web. We should use webhook like in IFTTT. And catch hook. Continue. And use this URL in our script. Let's create new script. And create HTTP post request. HTTP post create the name of our HTTP post and our URL that we copied from site. Now let's add some values. Post add value. Post value zap and name of argument. It will be tag and tag 1, for example. Next will be value. Post add value. Zap and tags tag. No, it's third argument. Second should be name of argument value. And also we create new command to get in time in string format. Time. Current date time and format of this year, month, day and hours, minutes and seconds. And we place this time in the third argument. The value zap time tags tag and execute this post. Execute will return response. Post execute and name of our post. Let's print our response. Save. And here we should try to execute. We've got a response. And let's refresh fields. Let's make it again. Do this. we will use Google Sheets again. Create row. Our account, my account, channel. Spreadsheet other and worksheet sheet 1. So for tag we will use tag, for value value, and for time column we will use time. Okay. Let's test. Let's run our script and watch our other Google tab. And we've got, oh no, tag value time files. Why files? Understand? Because we use in time, no time, but text. So we change to time and let's run. Run script again. So we've got response, and now let's test. Yes, you've got time. To get response value, you have to use our script command. For example, here string res2 and command http post get value, and our response that we've got from the execution, and name of the value. For example, we want to get status. So, and let's print this. Execute. Success. So, status success. Yes, it's correct. Also, we've tested with other integration services, for example, like Automate.io and Integromat. We preliminarily created bot for Automate.io and scenario for Integromat, and create scripts for testing. For Automate.io we use also Google Sheet, and you can see the row is added, and for Integromat we use notifications. Application of Integromat should be installed on your mobile device. Okay, we've got notifications, as you can see. That's all. If you've got any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum.